baby. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a day in the life of a female truck driver. Yeah. Okay, so listen, this is the first time I've ever driven a dump truck, so I'm out of training. Look at me, but don't get this shit confused. I got 10 years of experience, baby. So that was me at the job. I think I'm just backing up to get loaded. And then this right here, we going to the dump, okay? I was so proud of myself throughout this day because I ain't know nothing about dump truck, but I survived the day, okay? But look at me backing up to that dirt. Y'all see that pile of dirt? We just gonna back it up, but back it up, And then this is me letting the bed down, okay? Because I'm like, period. I got the motion. I got the sauce. Okay, look at that. That look like somebody who know what she doing. Ow. Okay, that's me putting the bed down. Now, let me tell you something that I do not like about doing construction. Because I also drive, I used to drive concrete. Baby, the motherfucking porta potties gotta go. Okay, I don't know what y'all thought this was, but she, her, I, me, Asia had, she going to the regular bathroom. So this is the best invention of life. But y'all, my phone was about to die throughout the day. So I was like, you know what? We just gonna have to end it right here. So this is me getting out the truck. We survived. Okay, we survived. My sense of direction is horrible, but I was able to find my way throughout the day. Yes. Pat on the back. Okay, so this is me getting out the truck. I'm about to go clock in, and this is me clocking out. And I'm free.